Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. Today, I'm taking you on a magical journey to capture the northern lights. Want to photograph that glowing green ribbon across the sky? Let me show you step by step how to see it, shoot it, stay warm. And yes, toast marshmallows under it too. Part 1: How to photograph the Aurora, Camera Edition. If you want stunning Aurora photos, manual mode is a must. Here are my recommended settings. Set your mode to M, manual. ISO between 1600 to 3200. Aperture f2.8 to f4. The wider, the better. Shutter speed 5 to 15 seconds, depending on how strong the Aurora is. Switch to manual focus and focus on infinity. And don't forget a sturdy tripod. One that can handle wind and stick into the snow to stay stable. Pro tip: in freezing temperatures, your phone or camera might crash. Bring extra batteries and keep them warm in your pocket. Part 2: Can you use your phone? Yes, you can. But you'll need a pro camera app or your phone's manual mode. Suggested settings: ISO between 800 to 3200. Shutter speed 5 to 10 seconds. Manual focus on distant objects. Set it on a tripod and use a timer to avoid camera shake. Part 3: What if the Aurora takes hours to show up? Aurora hunting is a waiting game. It takes patience. So make it fun and cozy. Bring a tent or rent a warm wooden cabin. Cook up something delicious: hot soup, sausages, sandwiches, marshmallows. Sip on hot chocolate or cranberry tea. Play cards, chat, tell stories, sing songs. Or even geek out over Aurora forecast apps. Part 4: Must have Aurora apps. Make sure to download these Aurora forecast apps. My Aurora Forecast. Aurora Alerts. Hello Aurora. Aurora Forecast by NOAA. They'll notify you when Aurora activity is strong. Don't miss your chance. Part 5: Final tips and mindset. Auroras don't appear every night. Sometimes it's cloudy or stormy for an entire week. This is truly a once-in-a-lifetime, if you're lucky, experience. So what do you need? Patience, good weather, and a little luck. If you're ready, pack your hand warmers, grab your camera, and come chase the Aurora with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support really warms my heart and keeps me creating. See you in the next one. Bye.